Okay, I'm outside with a very special guest here. And we had this guest in our past few videos. And her name is Birdie. Or Tweety. How are you doing today outside with no harness, no anything, and her wings are clipped, but I'm still keeping an eye on her because she can fly, she can crawl or she can run and crawl really, fast. So we just have to take. Oh gosh, she looked at me. She's hearing all the birds out here in the outside world. She's enjoying it. I let her loose, but now, she's tired. She's sleepy, I guess. I don't know. We played soccer. My soda kind of crashed. We played soccer. We got her a castle, kind of ish. We're roasting chicken wings over there. No offense. I'm sorry, Birdie. Okay. But still, it's a very nice cookout. All the fire over there, all the chicken smells. Okay, I'm sorry. But, it's alright. And we have, almost everything out here with Birdie. So, yeah. She's very nice. She's chillaxing. She's mad because she doesn't want the camera in her face. But anyway, that is all. Bye-bye.